Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and this is breaking news with the Cftc, one of the regulatory bodies that will be making some big decisions on crypto, came out with some breaking news today that I have got to share with you. In this video, we're going to be talking about the possibility and probability of a $20,000 retest for the price of Bitcoin, but the price of Bitcoin is going up right now. Now, this regulation that I want to talk to you guys about is very, very essential. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video, guys. Let's hop right in. So right now, the overall market cap is currently at 1.04 trillion. Bitcoin's coming up, trying to get back above $26,000 today, which is still well below the $30,000 price we were hanging out at for most of the year, what seems like most of the year for Bitcoin. Now, people are wondering, can this thing continue to go down? Well, I do think that there is a possibility of that. Now, Gary Gensler has been somebody in particular that has really been battling the crypto industry, and it's been actually kind of fun to watch him struggle against the crypto industry and trying to go to court with them. Actually, recently we saw the story that Grayscale won the lawsuit against the SEC as the court paved its way for a Bitcoin ETF that we expect to be coming along soon, which was great. But now we also saw Cathie Wood's ARK Invest file for a US spot Ethereum ETF, which was great. That is not new news, but this is new news, guys. The CFTC commissioner pitches a pilot program for US crypto regulation. Now, before we get too excited, guys, we got to dig into the details here. If you like the content, by the way, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel for this solid content, guys. Well, Caroline Pham is a commissioner for the CFTC. Now, let's just back up real quick. We know that Crypto.com, as an example, has some CFTC-approved products. They offer essentially futures for Bitcoin on their app. Not within the exchange, but within the app, actually possibly within the exchange. I wouldn't know. I don't have access to the US exchange yet. But within the app, you can use futures products which are approved by the CFTC. So the CFTC, unlike the SEC, is more crypto friendly, guys. And the CFTC commissioner, Caroline Pham, says, hey, you know what? We should launch a time-limited program, and we should start allowing regulated crypto markets and tokenization. And we should do this because crypto's coming. Now, what you need to know is she is one of the members of the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. And there are actually 5 of them. It is a 5-person commission for the Republican seats. There are 5 seats for the Democrats as well. And so this is, 1 in 10 people and 1 person on one side of the aisle that's talking about this. But this is important, guys, because we need these regulators to start getting their act together with crypto. Right now, I'm seeing stories about the head of Ripple complaining that, with the SEC case, what they did there actually shut down the opportunity for California to become a crypto hub, and they impeded adoption and regulation for crypto. Now we're kind of seeing the CFTC start to speak up and start to promote crypto programs, first with this thing with Crypto.com, giving them the CFTC regulated product that they can offer futures on their app. And now we're seeing this suggestion by Caroline Pham, a member of the CFTC, which is frankly, guys, very, very exciting. Now, what you're looking at now is the price of Bitcoin and the weekly candles. But what I want you to realize is Bitcoin and the overall market cap, they're going to be trading the same way. So here's the difference between the two charts. And what you'll notice is I've got very similar lines drawn out here on these charts because I think these are key resistances. And as for the question of can Bitcoin go back down to $20,000, even though it seems to be coming up right now, yeah, I certainly think that it can and it might. And we're going to keep an eye on that. At the end of the month, the FOMC meeting's coming out, so that's going to be essential. But price of Bitcoin has some key levels, probably at 21,000, maybe at 22,000, and right at about 19,500. The lowest it could possibly go in my mind would be 15,000, but I don't expect that. I would highly expect this $20,000 Bitcoin price, though, this month. I am predicting it. I could be wrong. It's not financial advice, guys. Please do your own research. But that would be a 23% retracement from here for Bitcoin. As for the overall crypto market cap, I do expect this thing to break down at least to this key level of $875 billion, if not a double bottom at $751 billion, which, coming down to my first key resistance, would be, again, about a 14% crash for the overall market. which kind of lines up, because if Bitcoin crashes 20%, then I would expect to see the altcoins bleed out a little bit more. And so actually saying this out loud, realistically, this becomes a little more probable. This further level, a double bottom for the overall crypto market. I do really anticipate where I have this circle drawn. I had it there for a reason, because that is the true bottom that I expect this crypto market to dip to. This specific measurement on this, guys, is 25% downside. And for Bitcoin to the circle that I have drawn, that is also 24.28% downside. A perfect downward movement for them to both trace, because you just saw it, guys. When you zoom out and you look at this, you look at the chart of Bitcoin, you look at the overall market cap, these things are going to follow a same pattern. I'm excited about the CFTC and crypto regulation coming along. I'm also getting ready for the FOMC meeting at the end of the month to possibly cause this huge September tell-off that I've been talking about. But in the next bull market, if we can get these regulated bodies to start coming out with some proper crypto regulation, I think we can start to get pretty excited and extremely bullish on crypto once again. And I do think that future millionaires will be made in this next bull cycle, guys. I'm very excited about it. That's all I got for you guys in this one. If you do enjoy this content, do me a favor, smash up the like button, guys. Tap that like button. It's the #1 thing you can do for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment below on your thoughts. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you like the content? Do you hate it? I don't know, guys. Be honest. Be truthful. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button. Subscribe to this channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. See you next time, guys. Peace.